Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to export Character AI chat. Currently, Character AI does not provide an official feature to export chat logs directly. Here are some few workarounds that you can use to save or export chat data manually. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI. After that, log into your account. First is to screenshot or copy paste the chat. Manually screenshot part of the chat you want to save. You can also copy the conversation and paste it into a document, for example, in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Notepad for later references. If you have programming knowledge, you could write a script to automate the process of pulling chat data from Character AI using API or other methods. Always consider the privacy of your chat and ensure that you are not violating Character AI privacy policy or terms of service. Some method like web scraping may be against Character AI terms of use, so it's important to review their terms of service before using such method. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.